Alright, y'all, it's the next day. I just came from picking up the stuff from the auction. Go ahead and show. I mean, even though y'all already saw it on the screen, but now I physically have it, so here you go. Alright, this is the cordless drill that I got pretty much for myself. So it says it works, so I mean, I'm still tested anyway. Matter of fact, the battery's already in it. I don't know if they did. Yeah, it'll probably be dead. So that would work. But, and here, my pay for this was $27.50. So next up here is that microphone that I showed y'all. This is Astatic D104 ham radio. Paid $32.28 for this. Probably end up listing this on eBay for probably about, I don't know, between $60-$70. I wish I had a way to be able to test this. I don't know, but I got that. I'm gonna go ahead and list that today, pretty much after this video. But this is it. Well, that's what I have so far. Other than that, I got a return actually coming back. It should be here in a few days. It was from one of those routers that I had in it was an Aries Touch Tone TM1602. Pretty much the router they sent back said the voice feature didn't work on it, and then the operator was not able to get it to work. So I was paid $38 plus shipping, $10.90, so it's $48.90 altogether. So I gave them this accepted this return. So I sent them the label, and it should be coming in the mail in a few days. So after that, check it out, make sure it's the right one, because I heard stories people send them back a return and it be something totally different. So once that's confirmed, then I'll give them issue the refund. So other than that, I will probably end up just relisting it back on eBay and put in the description that problem. So it may drop the value a little bit. So I don't know. I'll just see. But other than that, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this mic listed on here, and that's about it. So I'll see y'all later.